Today we are going to discuss how to create virtual network in Azure portal with different subnets. Uh, for that, once you log into the Azure portal, go with the global search virtual network. You will end up in the virtual network page. Here there is an option called create. You have to select your Azure subscription, then you can select the resource group. Already I have created sub resource group called text underscore rg. I'm going to create a virtual network name. I will call it as a test underscore VNET 1. I will go with the default region, select next. Security, I don't want to select anything here. I'll go to next IP address. Here we can define our own IP address. By default, it is select the 16 subnet IP address with the default address space. If you want to change it, you can change it. I will create as a 192.168.0.0 IP address with a 16. Because if you select 16 network only, while going to the subnet, we can create a 24-bit. So here I can, by default, the subnet will be by default one subnet will be generated. If we needed, we can add more subnets. Here I'm going to, for example purpose, I can create a more subnet. We can, if you click the edit option, we can change it the default name. I will select as edit. I will change it to the name as a subnet 1. The IP address, I will go with the default one, 192.168.0.0. This is a parent. From here, the 24, the subnet will be generated. So we cannot create here as a 24-bit. If you see here, I will give you as a 192.168, something like 0.0. I'll put a 16-bit. It will give us some error. By if you're creating multiple, definitely it will give you error. So I will give us 24-bit 192.168.0.0. I will click save. If I want to create a more subnet, click add a subnet. By default, the starting IP address it will take. I'll put a name called subnet 2. If I choose here 16, let's see here. Subnet range, you should be 192.160.1.0. 16 is not a valid CIDR block. So now you have to select as a 24-bit. Click add, see created. If I want to one more subnet, click add subnet. Subnet 3. Subnet 3. Automatically the IP range is taken. Just click add. See here, 3 subnets are already taken. Click next tags. But later on videos, we can show you how to use the subnet part in the Azure portal. Next, you review and create. It is running the validation past. So create. Deployment is in progress. So VNET is creating. So go to resource. Okay, this is the test VNET 1. Click address space. You will see the address. See the subnets. You can see how many subnets VNet. See, generally VNet virtual net, it is kind of a VLAN in the our physical environment. Say for example, in VLAN, in physical environment like on-prem environment, we will be creating the different VLANs. Say for example, in an office, we have a production team, development team, HR team, and different team. If the production team, they should not access the development team's resources. Development team resources should not access the resources of the production team. Same way, HR team would be on the different network. Uh, like other team members should not access the HR team's resources like files, other documents. So that's how VLAN will be creating in the on-prem or physical environment. Same way, we are creating the Azure portal. That is called VLAN. In on-prem, it is equal to virtual network. In that, how many like subnets we are creating? Same way, we are creating the subnets in the Azure portal. Okay. Today we have created virtual network with 3 different subnets in the Azure portal. Thank you, guys. Bye.